as a highly established government organization for crime investigations. Our materials were analyzed by two military generals, Mr. Bruzenev Korchov, a 20-year veteran of the field, and a former Polish criminal investigator, Ajay Kasputish. He first began to analyze the sounds of the gunshots. 5 sounds of shooting were shown as computerized waves. The general has explained to us with a startling conclusion.
As you see here, we can realize from hearing the sounds that there were 3 men shooting with 3 different rifles.
We were shocked. 3 different rifles from 3 different locations. When we see the shape and movement of the waves, they say it's obvious. Let's examine them one by one. This is the first shot, followed by the second shot, and continuing the third. The sounds of the fourth and fifth were almost simultaneous and difficult to verify. The type of waves demonstrated by the 2 nearly simultaneous shots doubled is similar to the combination of the first 2 shots. In the first, second, and third shots, each of the waves are very different. Now, astonishingly, in analyzing the type of waves, they've identified the types of rifles.
The waves on the third shot was simple. It's Carcano.
Carcano. That was the one discovered on the 6th floor and identified as the one used by Oswald. But the other 4 shots were not fired by the Carcano. They could probably be German-made rifles of different calibers, which means there were 3 different snipers firing at Kennedy from 3 different locations. Furthermore, after seeing the film, the general even spotted the locations of the snipers. Will we now finally discover the truth?
Well, the first shot came from the book depository building, but not from the 6th floor like the Warren Commission said, probably from the 2nd floor. Not only that, but look at this very carefully.
The first shot was from the book depository building, but not from the 6th floor.
This is a bullet hole. The bullet went right through the freeway board. It's difficult to tell for non-experts. It looks like dirt, but this is a bullet hole.
Although it may appear as only a smudge of dirt, the general has identified it as a bullet hole. The striking analysis he presented to us is graphic illustration of his findings about the 3 snipers and their shooting locations. That was beyond our imagination.
How is it that we know these details? Well, we can't tell you any further details because it's part of our top secret historical record. In our Crime Science Research Center, we have an enormous databank of clandestine information. So that's why I'm quite confident to say so.
Now, this is the complete analysis and final results we've received from Poland. Kennedy's car turns onto Elm Street.